Dear student, today's topic is about drugs. Let's define the drugs now. So, drug is any substance but not food, okay, with the exception of food and water. Drug is that substance which when taken into the body, it alters the body function either physically and or psychologically. Means sometime physically and psychologically both, sometime only physically, sometime only psychologically. Okay. Let us see the next point about the drugs. Drugs may be legal, okay. Some legal drugs are like alcohol, caffeine, tobacco, okay, and some illegal drugs are like cannabis, cocaine, heroin, etc. Okay. So, these are the some legal and illegal drugs. Alright. See the next point, the next fact about the drugs. So, the first thing I want to introduce, that is psychoactive drug, okay, also known as psychotropic drug. So, what is psychotropic drug? Is a term that is applied to chemical substance for those chemical substance which can alter the person's mental state by affecting the way how brain and nervous system works. Okay. The next point about this psychoactive drug is like it affects the central nervous system and alters a person's mood, thinking and behavior. Okay. Psychoactive drugs may be divided into the 4 categories, and they are like depressants, stimulants, okay, hallucinogens and so many others like this. Okay. Let us talk about some other facts about the drugs now. Like one more term, that is called molecular targets. Okay. So, what happens? Drugs usually interact with the biomolecules such as carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, and they are called target molecules or drug targets or molecular targets. Drugs possessing some common structural features may have the same mechanism of action on targets. Okay. Alright. So, this is how we have studied about the drugs, with that what is drugs, what it does, and what is psychoactive drugs and how it works, okay, what it does, what is legal drugs, what is illegal drugs, and what is molecular targets. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you for watching.